If you've played Little Alchemy 2, you already know that you can create both non-living and living things. My name is Yudullah, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're talking about how you can make a shark in Little Alchemy 2. Creating a shark in Little Alchemy 2 is a rather simple thing. It's 16 steps. So let's get started. First up, we need land. So we're going to combine two earth elements. Then we need a puddle. So that's going to be water and water. Put the puddle aside. Now we need energy. So that's two fire elements. And then we need lava. So fire and energy. Oh wait, no. That's going to be earth and fire. So fire and earth for lava. Moving on, we need a pond. So that's puddle and more water. For a pond, then we need stone, which is air and lava. Let's put our stone aside. Now we need a continent. So that's land and earth. And then we need a lake. So just take your pond and add more water to it for a lake. Then we're going to make a continent. So continent is going to be earth and land. Oh, we already have a continent. So moving on, we need a planet, which is just two continent elements combined together. Alright, once we have our start answer, let's expand our lake into a sea by combining lake and water. Now mix earth into this to get primordial soup, and then put energy in here to make life. Alright, now we quickly need moon. So I'm going to combine planet with stone. Should be right here. Alright, now land and life will be combined for an animal. So let me find land real quick. Once we have an animal, we're going to combine it with the moon to create a wolf. So let me find the moon. We have wolf, and then finally the last step is combining sea with the wolf to create a shark, and that's how you create sharks in Little Alchemy 2. If you like these videos, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such content can we make for you. If you want to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.